So before we get into the actual setup of your social media accounts, I'm going to teach you guys how to create designs and images to use in your social media accounts. In this lesson, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Facebook cover image. So you should be pretty familiar with Canva, as you guys previously created a logo using this platform. So once you sign into your account and you're on your home page, go ahead and select the Create a Design button, which will take you to this wide variety and library of templates to use. So just scroll down until you see the social media and emails header section and go all the way to the right and select the Facebook cover option. And as you'll see, it brings you to a perfectly sized and laid out Facebook cover template. And what I would recommend doing is starting out with one of these pre-built layouts. Canva has a really good selection of pre-built templates that you can use, and everything in here is customizable. So don't think or assume that just because you selected this pre-built template that's what you're stuck with and that's what you have to use. Everything in there is customizable, which I'll get to in a second. But I do want to show you that if you do want to create your own image from scratch, you absolutely can do that. There's all kinds of elements you can add, such as shapes and lines, and even give you illustrations and icons, which is really good if you guys are trying to display what your blog is really all about. And of course, there's an option for text, your background colors and patterns, and you can also upload your own images, which is great, and I'll show you guys that too in just a minute. So once you're in the Layouts tab, just take some time to explore all these pre-built templates. Canva has a really good selection, and you can definitely find something that's a good starting point to use. So once you select something that you think is a really good starting point, just go ahead and select it, and it'll place it into the template. And everything in here is customizable, so you can completely remove the images, just select them and delete them, and everything else in here, whether it's the shapes or the frames or the text, again, is totally customizable. You can relocate everything, you can change the colors of everything, and it's really great for customizing your text. There's a really diverse font library they provide, so you can definitely find something to fit the look of your blog. You can adjust the text size, and simple things such as making it bold or italic, making everything uppercase, and you can even customize the text spacing, so the spaces in between each individual letter or the line height. Now, in addition to customizing what's already in here or removing it, as I said, if there's anything in here you don't want, just select it and delete it. So in addition to that, you can add to it. So you can go back to this elements section, and if you want to create your own shapes or different components to use, you just explore all these options as well, and just select whatever you want to use. You can resize everything, and as you'll see, as I was moving around this frame, there's sort of this purple dotted lines that come up, and these are great because it shows you the center of the layout, so you really don't have to worry about the location of everything. It sort of snaps to the grid, so it's just really great at creating a symmetrical and clean design for you. So as you customize your design, you can also add your own images. So going to the Uploads tab, you can see I already have some images in here, but I'll show you guys how to upload your own. Clicking that button, and you'll just want to locate wherever the image on your computer is that you're trying to use. Just go ahead and select that, and it'll upload it to your image gallery. And once that's complete, you'll just select it and it places it in your template. And one thing Canva is really great at is keeping your images in the perfect aspect ratio. So what that means is as I drag and resize the image, it doesn't distort it whatsoever. It keeps it in the perfect aspect ratio that you need. So you just want to enlarge it to fit perfectly, and you can rearrange it however you want. You can flip the image, and what's also really cool with Canva is you can do some minor photo editing capabilities. You can add filters to your images, and you can adjust the brightness and contrast. So that's really helpful and really great for creating your custom images. So just, look through all these elements, play around with everything, and create a good image you're happy with. And I'll jump ahead to my banner image that we're going to use for Baking with Jason. So here's the image I created for our Facebook cover photo. Now I'm really happy with this, so what I'm going to do now is simply just download the image. Now you'll see there are some options for file types to use, but the preset should be PNG, which is the recommended file type, so just keep it as that, and you'll just select download. And as you create all of your images, regardless of what they're for, automatically they will be saved in your design library on your Canva account. So even if you don't download something to your computer, you'll still have it in your account to access later. And as you can see down on my screen, the Facebook banner photo has saved to my computer. So you guys are ready for your Facebook page setup.